Dear student, we will study the first chapter of economics development. How it is possible. There are many goals for different people. In this chapter, we will study what development promises, different goals for different peoples, income and other goals, national development, the method of comparing different countries or states, income and other criteria, public facilities, sustainable economic development. मीनिंग ऑफ डेवलपमेंट, डेवलपमेंट का अर्थ क्या है, माने क्या है? डेवलपमेंट इज अ वाइड टर्म. इट हैज अ नंबर ऑफ एस्पेक्ट्स. द आइडिया ऑफ डेवलपमेंट और प्रोग्रेस हैव always been with us. All of us have aspiration or desire about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Development is a continuous onward going process. What development promises? Different goals for different peoples. Different people have different goal. भिन्न भिन्न लोगों के भिन्न भिन्न लक्ष्य होते हैं. Each of them seeks different things. They seek things which they feel important for them. Maybe 2% of group of persons seek things which are conflicting with each other. However, this may be resisted by displaced people. Thus, 2 points are concluded. Different people have different development goals. Thus, the goal differ from persons to persons. The view may be conflicting event. What is regarded by one as development may be regarded as retardation by the other. Some example here. Development goal of development peoples. First, landless agriculture laborers, भूमिहीन कृषि मजदूर. इनके लक्ष्य क्या है, इनके गोल क्या है, इनकी नीड क्या है? बेटर वेजेस, रेगुलर वर्क, बेटर एजुकेशनल फैसिलिटीज फॉर देयर चिल्ड्रन एंड एब्सेंस ऑफ सोशल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. इनके लिए अच्छा वेतन, नियमित कार्य, बच्चों को शिक्षा सहित विभिन्न फैसिलिटीज. ये कृषि मजदूर होते हैं, इनके लक्ष्य होते हैं. पर्सन्स इंडस्ट्रियलाइज्ड फ्रॉम गुजरात. बेटर मार्केट फैसिलिटीज, assured prices for their goods, less taxes and open traffic regime. And आदिवासी फ्रॉम ओडिशा. ओडिशा के आदिवासियों का क्या लक्ष्य होंगे? टू सी दैट दिस लैंड इज नॉट टेकन बाई MNC and we gets regular employment, assurance for proper rehabilitation in his land is taken over. A girl from a rich urban family to get as much freedom as can have for taking her own decisions. Now, income and other goals. आय और अन्य लक्ष्य या उद्देश्य क्या हैं? Income is the most important component of development. You might have noticed it in the table given above that all the categories of people wanted to earn more income. सभी प्रकार की सभी कैटेगरी लोगों का एक मुख्य लक्ष्य होता है कि अधिक से अधिक आय कैसे हो. It must have enabled you to conclude that only the income is the main criteria for development. एक जो डेवलपमेंट का जो क्राइटेरिया है उनमें आय एक प्रमुख तत्व है, प्रमुख फैक्ट है. Besides seeking more income in the way or the other people also seek the things like equal treatment, freedom, education, security, respect of other, job, peace, pollution, free environment, and so on. All these are important goals. आज़ादी, स्वतंत्रता, शिक्षा, सुरक्षा, सम्मान दूसरों के लिए, रोजगार, शांति, पोल्यूशन यानी प्रदूषण मुक्त वातावरण, ये सब अन्य लक्ष्य होते हैं. In fact, in some cases, these may be more important in comparison to more income or more consumptions. The reason is material goods are not the only things that the people need to live on. केवल वस्तुएं ही लोगों के लिए आवश्यक नहीं होती हैं, इसके अलावा भी बहुत से तत्व होते हैं जो जीवन जीने के लिए, सम्मान पाने के लिए आवश्यक होते हैं. बट द क्वालिटी ऑफ आवर लाइफ आल्सो डिपेंड ऑन नॉन मटेरियल थिंग्स मेंटेन आवर. That's all for today. Remain parts of this lesson we will study tomorrow.